Hey, Jonathan here, and just received my Mercurial papers, local edition. So yeah, I just woke up, so I might sound like a retard. Anyways, get started. Let's lie. Oh, the box is in great shape. I was expecting it might be damaged or something, but never mind. Whoa. So, this box inside. Alright. Wait, come on. Yes, come on. I'll show you how it opens. Here's some awesome plastic. Comes like this, like this, like this. There's the shoe. Okay. Wow. Lovely. Alright. The bag. I don't like bags like this. It's like those string bags. Anyway, the unboxing.